Alright, what is up all? Meso back at it again. I'm out of beer, so another all grain to glass video. What I'm going to make, red ale today. And I kind of have ingredients for another beer that I'll show you in the next video. This is a simple, lighter beer, probably going to be 5.25%, 5.5% give or take. But yeah, it's a red ale. The grains that I have in this, 7 pounds of 2-row, 1 pound of Vienna, 1 pound of Crystal 20, half a pound of Red X, which is going to get that red color that we want. And for the hops, I'm going with 1 ounce of Columbus and 1 ounce of Loral. As far as yeast, I've never used this yeast before, but I wanted to try it just because it has such a cool name. The White Labs London Fog. I mean, London Fog. How cool of a name is that? So I got that on the yeast starter that I started. I did this a couple days ago, maybe a day and a half. It hasn't been a full 2 days. And I just threw the magnet off as I picked that up. So yeah, good job, Meso. I did awesome. Alright, but let's get this started. I just came from the homebrew store. This is from the same building. They got the brewery right next to it. Dry Dog Brewing Company here in Aurora, Colorado. It's blueberry smoothie, so how could I not try that bad boy? 5.2%. What's cool about this though, you got the homebrew store, the brewery in the same building, but you don't even have to walk through separate doors. It's all open, so you go right from your homebrew store and just walk right to the bar, sit at the table, let's get you some beer. Alright, well let's do this. I got the Anvil behind me here. I got it at 8.5 gallons. I'm going to heat up some sparge water. So I'm about to set it to 170 degrees. We're at 50 degrees right now from the tap. That's how cold our water is today. So I'm going to set a timer on this. Don't do us wrong, Anvil. We're going to go 50 degrees, 170 degrees sparge water. So come on, don't let us down. Let's see how long this takes. Let's start the timer. And just a note too, this was my own recipe that I put into Beersmith. Beersmith didn't have Red X. It didn't change the color of the beer. I had to add it myself, which I was pretty disappointed. When I went to add the yeast, the London Fog yeast, they didn't have the White Labs WLP066 London Fog. Neither the grain or the yeast, these didn't just come out yesterday. Everything on my Beersmith is updated. Like, get your shit together, Beersmith. I'm just surprised this wasn't included. Neither of the two was in your profile. Alright, and as you see, we did the sparge water. We're good. Got to 170 degrees. I put the sparge water into the mash tun that's over here. I got the Anvil going now. We dumped the grains in. This was a 60-minute mash at 148 degrees. You can see I hooked the pump up. The pump's recirculating now. I did that at 15 minutes left to the mash. In the meantime, I did my hops. And with the hops, half ounce of Columbus at 60 minutes, half ounce at 30 minutes. We're going to do Loral hops. If you don't know about Loral hops, these are hops I kind of replaced Citra with in the meantime, because I used to use Citra on everything. Like, everything used to be Citra, IPA, Citra, whatever I made, I used to always put Citra. And it's one of those things, even if you eat steak and lobster every day and eat good, eventually it's going to get old. So Loral is a good alternative to Citra. I'm going to put that in at about 15 minutes, and I got a whole ounce of the Loral that I'm going to do at about, I don't know, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. We'll see when we get there. Alright, and mash is done. You can hear by the timer. So I do this just because of my own amusement. I like to see timers, how much things take from here to there. So Anvil's done. Where do we at right now? We are at 149 degrees. So let's set that timer. We're going to pull out the mash bed, let it drain. I'm going to sparge a minute. I'm not going to bore you with all that time. Alright, and our boil is done, but again, this boil is way too vigorous. So let's turn it down. Let's turn the power down a little bit. And again, I live over a mile high, so don't think the anvil's at fault because it shows 200 and not 212 at sea level. It's just because I'm a mile high. So let's turn it down to 85 degrees. Alright, that'll chill it out. And then, alright, first hop edition, 60 minutes. Going right into it. Oh shit, it's hard to do with one hand. Come on, Columbus. Alright, Columbus hops at 1 hour. Boop, there we go. Dump it in. And I should have probably used my hot basket, but kind of too late now. I'll filter it. I got a filter for once I dump it into the fermenter after. So, alright, that's first hop edition. Half ounce of Columbus. Alright, here we go. Second edition. 30 minutes. Another Columbus half ounce hops into the pot. There we go. 30 minutes. Alright, and half ounce of Loral going in. This is just about 10 minutes left. Last edition, 1 ounce of Loral hops going in. Bam. I got the sink. Boop. Hooked up to the wort chiller. Alright, let's see how long it takes. And beer is done. You just seen that. That was I think that was under 15 minutes getting this down to pitching temperature. But I got distracted while I was waiting for this to cool down. My hot wings came. I ordered the hottest wings. I don't even remember the name of it. I'll show you right here. Triple XX hot. When I want triple XX hot, there's no way I should be able to do this. You see, I already took a bite of one. I was already disappointed. Let me take a bite. Okay, y'all. How y'all doing? My dog's begging for some food. This is what we got going on here. So, he's begging. So let's see. Oh my God, this is so hot. Here you go, Pookie. Alright, so gravity 1.048, which is what I expected. I said from the beginning it's going to be about 5.25, 5.5. You see the reddish color in this, which is delicious. And again, I hate looking at these wings. I thought they were going to be like atomic hot where I couldn't even breathe. I shouldn't be able to do this. Alright, so the only thing that's left, yeah, we got it down to pitching temperature. 68 degrees right here. I'm showing my fermenter. This has been going for a while. So she's been itching to kill some sugar. Let me grab that magnet from the fridge. Which is another thing too, if you didn't notice, my last videos I had a black fridge. My fridge went out. That's why I ran out of beer, because we had my fridge went out. Then we had the snowstorm. I had to wait a week for a new fridge. Now I got a white fridge, a top freezer. All right, and we're done with that. That's the London fog yeast. We're not gonna dry hop this at all. Alright, let's put this, cap that off. Bam, good. Put the bung on. Oh, that's good. 1, 2, 3. Boom. And that's good. Alice, what you doing? That's my dog.
Oh shit.
But alright, that's our red ale. We're good to go. I got my chest freezers open now. I got it set to 68 degrees. Give this 2 weeks. Then I'm going to do the tasting for that. Alright, and just a few seconds on your end, 3 weeks on my end. The red ale is done. I just poured it from the keg too. It's about to overflow. They will fall, but oh, I swear I can smell those Columbus hops. First thought on the color, I would like it a little more red. I'm gonna do this one again. I'd probably just add maybe a 1/4 pound more of the Red X, but let's give this a taste. Ooh, that's definitely bitter. It's more bitter than what I thought. It's definitely good though, I like it. I can taste the Loral in there. The Columbus, those Columbus are strong. I even made a mistake when I put in Beersmith. I'll show you right here. When I added this to Beersmith, they had two options, the 14 and the 18%, and the one I put into Beersmith without looking was the 14%. But as you can see, if it focuses, I hope it does. These are, yeah, the 18%. So that's why it's a little bitter, but this beer is still delicious. Let's see if I can NBC this. It's kind of early, it's like noon. Alright, ooh, that was good. And guys, you just seen it, the final gravity to this was 1.008, so this was right at 5.25%. As predicted. Good job, Beersmith, on that. But I got me a double hazy IPA going right now in the chest freezer, so stay tuned to that. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see some more. Thanks for watching all. Meso out.